Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. How is everybody doing today? How is all my ladies and gentlemen doing today? You guys, I'm so glad you clicked onto this video because we're gonna make some delicious mustard fried pork chops. You guys, I got this idea from another YouTuber and I'm gonna tell you who it is. So get you a snack and come on back. So guys, what we have today is a nice cut pork chop. Now I don't know about many of you, but I haven't had pork chops in a while. It has been a while, you guys. And for these pork chops, we're going to make us some mustard fried pork chops, you guys. I don't know about you guys, but I love a good pork chop with the bone in it. I don't know why, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to season these bad boys up. And I'm going to tell you who I got this idea from. Okay, so let me reach back here and get me a towel. Get me a towel and dry off the gloves because I want to go in and I want to put me some mustard on these pork chops. Let me shake this mustard up. So we're just going to use a little French's, you know, and we're going to squeeze us some mustard. That's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to squeeze us some mustard right on down in here, right? And we're going to put us some Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning, because that's what I'm going with for the spice. Just enough, because we're going to coat all of these pork chops, you guys. I was in a mood for it. When I had saw this, I said, oh my heavens, I haven't had a good pork chop in I don't know how long. We're going to add us some black pepper. We're going to add us some black pepper in here. And just like that. You know, we're going to pile it on because once we get that seasoning in there, I want each and every pork chop to have that taste. Oh my goodness, and we got us some garlic powder. So we're going to go on here and we're going to put that on here. Who like pork chops with a little garlic powder? I know I do. And we just going to go on, we're going to put us a little paprika. Now I know y'all say that's a lot of seasoning. But Miss T deserves this, okay? So if you view me for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, come join your girl. Let's tie that up a little more. Because we're going to make us some good old pork chops, you guys. And we're going to go on and give this a good stir. Well, you know, swap around. You know, we're going to get it in there. It's going to get a little messy. But is it worth the mess? Because, you know, I never thought to do this. I never thought until I saw Cooking with Wood. If y'all familiar with Peach McIntyre, you guys, when I tell you wood pork chops looked so good to me, I said, oh, I gotta do it, right? I gotta do it. Hadn't had a pork chop in I don't know how long. But we're going to get into it. Because we're going to keep this a quick, simple video, you guys. So if you're not familiar with it, I definitely will leave him in the description below. You guys, look at that. That's seasoned to perfection. And I'm going to cut this one right here so that it won't curl up. It will not curl up. Let me rest my hand. And get the scissors. You guys. Just like that. We want to make sure each one is cut around. Because I don't like when it balls up and you don't get that flatness that you're looking for because of that angle right there. I can taste these pork chops now. Hope I hadn't missed any. But anywho, let's go to the next step. Okay, so we're just going to lightly coat it. We're not going to do too much to it. And we're going to lay it in the pan. Just like that. Now, I see I can only fit 2. So instead of doing 2 large ones, I'm going to do 2 small ones. I mean 1 large, 1 small. Because I don't have too many big ones in here. And I'm going to lay it the opposite way. Okay? And we're going to be back. So guys, we have gotten through all the pork chops, you guys. Look how delicious they look. Let's see. Oh my goodness. You guys, take a look at these pork chops. And these are mustard fried pork chops. I got the idea from Peach McIntyre. Her husband cooking with wood, or everyday life with wood. But anywho, you guys, I had a taste for it. So yeah, you can go and check out his recipe. I definitely will leave it in the description. I know they don't need any help on their channel. It's just the point. I give credit where credit is due. Okay, that's what I do over here. Because I can honestly say I was not thinking about a fried pork chop till I saw his video. But we're going to get into this taste. Give me a minute. Okay, guys, so here is a close-up on these fried pork chops. Now, your girl got to get her a piece from somewhere. So we're going to take this piece right here. I'm just going to break it. You guys, can you see it? First bite for you guys. Oh, it's hot. Mmm. Nice and tender. Mm-hmm. Juicy. Tangy from the mustard. Just perfectly well seasoned. Y'all. Who had that old school pork chop sound? Let's put the bread down. So guys, we got some Sara Lee, you guys. Sara Lee. Y'all, it's time for an old school sandwich. Okay? Now, if you hear the cabinet, it's just me getting my plate. Okay? Just me getting my plate. Bear with me, you guys. Bear with me. Because I have been craving this. And hey, It was one of my childhood favorites. One of my childhood favorites that my mom would make. And then as I went into adulthood, I didn't know how to make it. You hear me? You guys need 2 pieces of bread. You need 2 pieces of bread, right? And ain't nothing wrong with a little bread. Now, if I had the lettuce and tomatoes, because I'm not going to say I do, it would go on this sandwich, right? But since I don't, we're going to shake up. We're going to shake up the red hot sauce. Red hot sauce. That's what we're going to shake it up. And we're going to go on here and we're going to find us a good piece of meat. I think I want this one. Why? Because it's much better and bigger. And we're going to put us a little hot sauce on it, right? I like that bone, you guys. And there you have it. An old school pork chop sandwich. Yes, now, let me know in the comment area if you're familiar with it, right? You're familiar with it. So we're just going to go on and put this bread on top. And I'm going to go on and give me an Arizona tea right out the freezer. And this will complete my meal, you guys. This will complete my meal. So we got the 2 combinations. I want you guys to enjoy your Friday. And yeah, thumbs this video up. Subscribe to the channel. If you're not already part of the family, what you waiting on? I have a 10,000 goal to reach. And I'll see you guys after I send much and much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.